Ma'am, there is this weird background noise coming.
The noise is coming.
Yes.
Okay, just hold on.
Fine.
Okay, your both of them are good in the lockdown phase, in the pandemic phase.
Yes.
Okay, so do you aware with the BlueJ what is exactly this programming language is there? What do you mean by this Blue?
Sort of.
Okay, sort of. What about other? At least 1%, 5%, 10%. Be frank. Whatever thing, if you are not having a single person knowledge, still it's okay, not an issue. But let me understood no that how much you are aware of this BlueJ, so that I'll be teaching you from all the things from the scratch, right?
I am sort of able to do the BUG like projects and all, but I am not understanding the theoretical part correctly.
Okay. Okay. Who is this? Mranmai?
Shaira. Shaira.
Shaira. Okay. All right. See, girls, basically, before starting it with this programming language or the theoretical part, first, any sort of a programming language in the world, if you're doing any sort of a programming language, you should be aware with the history of that. You should be aware what is the purpose, why this language is getting invented in this world. Okay, so you should be aware of all the things. You should be having the awareness of that programming language, why it is being invented, why it is being discovered, and then only we'll be moving it further, so that from that point of a concepts you will be cleared, and which will be getting carry forwarded for the further sessions also. Okay, so before starting it with the BlueJ, I'll be telling you some introductory part that how this language is being invented, where it is being invented, why it is being invented, and all. Okay, so the basically girls, the BlueJ is a Java IDE, which we say it. So IDE is it's nothing but the integrated development environment, we says. Okay, so now over here, what do you mean by IDE? Yes, anyone? What do you mean by IDE? No one?
I don't know.
Okay, if you're not aware, please say no. Okay,
Yes.
you know it, you can say yes. There's no any sort of a hesitation should be there. Okay, so see, girls, BlueJ is nothing but the IDE, which we call it as a integrated development environment. So over here, it's a basically we see it is only of having a three words only, that is integrated development environment. But in this word, three words, it is having ample of things is getting accommodated. So what sort of ample things are getting accommodated? So see, girls, I'll show you one quickly screen like this. See, now you're seeing the screen, right? This is my Gmail screen is there. So how the background is there? This is nothing but my black screen that I have set at the theme over here. Then the left side, which is I'm maintaining with the multiple tools. If I'm coming it over here, see, now this website is something different, naukri.com, right? If I'm coming into the any another website, yes, that two website is also getting differ. Like over here, this is my logo, naukri.com. These are nothing but my tabs. See, when I'm clicking on this is getting pop up all the things over here. These are the different buttons. That is the register for free. Then over here, this is the login form is see, just keep it small thing in mind that whichever the terms I'm making use it, so that term should be perfect in the computer language. See, even though if you're doing any sort of a programming language, you should be specific with the technical terms. Okay, like I have used here the command button. Here I have used a command button, that is a submit button is there, which is known as the login button. So these are nothing but my text boxes are there. So these is nothing but the which I have shaded one is this is nothing but the label button is there. So like that, this is my logos are over here, where when I'm clicking on here, that see the thumb icon is coming in. So how girls this are coming all the same? Because we have done the implementation of any programming language in this so and so website. right? So any programming language means like I have done the working on the PHP level. Suppose if I click it on the right click over here and go to the view page source. See, did you understanding anything over here? I think nothing. Everything is bouncer, right?
Programming.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so इतना समझ में आएगा that this is the HTML languages as it is being specified at the top of the coding part, and which
Yes.
two, yeah, so which two it is being written it in the en, that is nothing but the English which we say. Okay, so here I have making use of the English programming language. So see, if I want to maintain any sort of a programming website, so for that purpose I need to make use of the programming languages. So that programming languages is nothing but this sort of a coding should be done it. Okay, so over here like that document dot I is being specified. So I is nothing but such sort of a variable is there which is getting thrown over here, then hidden is there. So these are the different what we say keywords are being used in the programming languages, which is being stored in the library. Okay, so see, basically when you move to the library, there is having an ample of books, no, right? So that is from the novels, that is from the first standard till your TY BSc or what we say graduation, post graduation, MBA books are there, as well as some extraordinary books are there. So over there in the library, some different sections are there, no? So suppose I want to search it for the ninth standard textbook or ninth
Keep it
standard.
organized.
Sorry, beta.
There's section to keep it organized.
Yeah, very good. So it should be a organized, well authenticated should be there. So same way over here in the programming world also, whenever I'll be doing any sort of a programming languages, so for that purpose programming languages, it should be some language should be perfect. Okay, so in the front end, whichever we are saying it, so this screen is nothing but the front end, and this screen some sort of a you are seeing it which is at the back end screens are there. This is also nothing but the coding source code is there. This is not the back end, this is the source screen. And when this front end screen, when I'm sending the data over here, when I'm writing some data and when I'm submitting it, okay, see now this is the dotted notation is only coming, this is not coming the ABCD, no? Why? Because in the coding format I have making use of a dot purpose. Suppose in the coding if I have making use of a star, so it will be specifying me as a star only. Suppose if I'm entering the hashtag over there in the coding, so instead of a dot it will be coming a hash. So girls, totally this all these things are depending upon only and only on the user. That too is nothing but the developer in the programming world. So in the programming world, when this website is being generated, no, so the one who is generating is known as a developer, but in our level, in our language, we call it as a user. Getting the point? So for this purpose, same, see, as you are seeing it on the screen, this website is this website, you can make it in the PHP, you can make it in a Java, you can make it in a what we say HTML as well as a CSS, with the combination of I'm taking a bootstrap is also a responsive language is there. Okay, so bulk of this knowledge is getting combined together and generating a website. So for this purpose I need to study the programming languages. Okay, so that is the main purpose, that we are studying the programming languages, different things. So same like, see, in the day to day life we are learning the German language, French language is there, Spanish is there. So these are the different languages, like Gujarati is there, Hindi is there, Bengal is there, right? So same way in the technical world also there are the PHP is there, Java is there, then initial version of the Java is nothing but the BlueJ is there. Then Python is there, SQL is there. I hope you would have heard about the Python, SQL, Oracle. So these different sort of a programming languages, we need to study it for generating the multiple websites. Getting it? I hope everyone would have understood that what is the purpose exactly of learning the programming languages. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
This was the purpose behind that. Now I'll be coming it to the different phase over here. Yeah. So the screens which you have seen it till now, that is nothing but a look and feel which we say. Okay. So in the programming languages, look and feel is very, very important term. Okay. So look and feel means what? So look and feel is nothing but which I have shown you, like the websites are there, how the designing part is being happened, that is a software design, how it is being well organized and how it is being attractive, how I'm showing the slideshows or I'm putting some images, attractive images or the moving images. So that look and feel is nothing but the IDE is there. Okay, which is nothing but the integrated development environment. Now I'll be coming it to the proper concept, that is to the main focus is what do you mean by a BlueJ? So girls, basically BlueJ is the programming language, but that too with the help of the Java. So Java, in the Java, there are the two categories are there. First is nothing but we call it as a core Java, and then another one is the advanced Java. Okay, so core Java, for that core Java, I should be aware with the very, very basic introductory part, that is nothing but the BlueJ is there. Getting the concept? So what do you mean by BlueJ? So BlueJ is nothing but the introductory part of the Java. Clear? Now you might be thinking ki, Arey, ma'am is telling that BlueJ is the introductory part of the Java, but what do you mean by exactly the Java? Yes or no? You might be aware that Java is a programming language, or any another concept. Can you tell me?
No.
Yeah, bolo.
नहीं. No other.
Okay, so I'll tell you object oriented programming language, which is nothing but I'll be calling it as a OOPS concept over here. Okay, so Java means what? So Java is nothing but the object oriented programming language. So object oriented means what? So see girls, in the technical world, C++, that is also object oriented programming language. C, this is nothing but the structured programming language. Then VC++ is also there, which is known as the Visual C++ is there. But in the market, this is the outdated one. So we are not using it in day-to-day life programming languages. Okay, but just for your general knowledge purpose, I have specified that that is a VC++. Then which one is there? PHP is there. Then SQL is there, which is nothing but the sequential query language, which is totally depend only and only on the queries part, right? So see girls, these, like I have explained you, I have given you the example like Spanish, French, German and all. So same way in the programming languages also, there are the multiple concepts are there, like the OOPS concept. Java is there, C++ is there, C is there, SQL is there, then PHP is there. Then if I'm coming to the designing part, it will be having the HTML, CSS and Bootstrap too. All right, see basically this all this thing I'm just giving you the general knowledge first. So you should be aware that in the day-to-day market, day-to-day in the technical world, how the programming languages and which programming languages is getting implemented in the websites, or as well as in the applications also, which you are seeing it in the Play Store. Like Play Store, the apps are there. So multiple applications, that is the applications are nothing but the Android app is there. If I'm using the iPhone, so it will be having the iOS app, right? So iOS app, that means each and every application's operating system is different. Yes or no? सी देखने के लिए तो यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि अरे ये तो मैम ब्लूजे पढ़ाना था, मैम कहाँ पर जा रही है? बट दिस ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर ईच एंड एवरी concepts is correlated with every programming languages, and that too is a Java, so it is a very highly
Ma'am,
yeah.
can you explain the operating system part again?
Yeah, sure. So see, so each and every applications are there, so that applications is different depend like if I'm using the iPhone, so iPhone is having the different OS operating system. If I'm using the Android, so that is Android operating system is different, right? So according to the basis of the OS that applications is made. And who is making this all this applications? So the developer is preparing the applications once again with the help of this programming languages. Getting it? So don't think it, girls, that this programming languages is only and only depend on for making the websites. This programming languages is also helpful to generate the multiple applications, multiple games, like the PUBG game was there, right, which is being banned right now. So that game is also being generated on that particular OS is them. So OS, it's mean like on a particular platform. So over there also the Java programming language is also implemented over there. Are you aware of this? So there are multiple techniques. Maximum, if you think it now, or if you visualize, so many games are there. Like I guess GTA Vice City game, then Fast and Furious, then multiple games are like that nowadays. Boys and girls are playing. So that 90% of the games are being generated with the help of the Java programming language. Keep it in mind. So most what we say, it's like the king of the programming language. We can also call it as it is. Yeah, it's nothing but my Java programming languages. Getting it? So that much is giving a very highest priority in the technical world, as well as Java is a very popular programming language in the day-to-day life. Is it clear? So now we are going to study it on the BlueJ, which is the very initial stage of Java. Getting the point? Yeah. Now the next thing is who has invented the BlueJ and how, in which year it is being invented. So the thing is, basically the development of a BlueJ was started in the year 1999. Okay, so in the year 1999, the BlueJ has been started by the, any guesses? Pata? The name of, yes, anyone? You can guess
Our
it.
school directly started with the token and
James
everything.
James Gosling.
No, it's not a James, it's a John. And one
Okay.
there.
Michael got
There is a lot of disturbance better in your background. How you are able to listen the lecture? Yeah. How you're listening the lecture? There is so a lot of disturbances there in your background. Michael Colling and John Rosenberg. So these are the two persons who has invented the development of the BlueJ, and where it has been invented. It has been invented in the Monash University. Okay, so in the Monash University, it is being invented. So as it is to a if you can maintain the notes also if you want it, successor to the Blue system. So girls, as Blue system wide is being said, see whatever you're seeing it on the screen, no, that is nothing but the blue screens are there, which is having a 7-segment display. Yes or no? So that 7-segment display is nothing but which is we are seeing it the blue screen. So from that term, the blue J is being arrived over here. Getting it? So these peoples have invented the programming language that is a BlueJ. Now the next concept is over here, that what is the exactly use of the BlueJ? So the exact use of the BlueJ is that to build up to assist with the user education on the OOPS concept. Like I have told you, so sorry, as I have told you that OOPS concept is there. Like Java is object oriented programming language. So object oriented programming language means what? See, even C++ is also the object oriented programming language. Yes or no? So what do you mean by this object oriented? So see, object oriented means, girls, that any programming or any what we say, any program which I'm generating it in the C++ or in the Java, that too is with the help of the object only. So without object, my C++ language is incomplete, my Java language is incomplete. As well as without object, the program won't be getting executed. Getting the point? So that much of vitality is being there in the programming softwares of the C++ as well as in the Java. That's why it is known as the term object oriented programming language. Getting it? See, as like it's a C programming, it is nothing but the structured programming language. Why we call it as a structured? Because this language is only and only depend upon the structures. Getting it? So structures means what? So suppose if I'm generating any program, like I'll show you. See, now it is on the screen. System.out.println old McDonald had a farm. Then this is one structure. Then once again so.p EIEIO, this is the another structure. Then same way, if I'm coming into the very starting one, the public class old McDonald, this is also nothing but the structure. So each and every statement is nothing but which we call it as the structures. And when the structures comes in the combination, it forms one single module, and that too is known as the modular programming language. Getting it? So these are the different variations of the programming language. No doubt, you are saying that BlueJ, yes, BlueJ is a programming language. Java programming है, C++ programming language है. अरे बट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज मतलब कौन सा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? तो उसमें भी बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस होते हैं. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड मॉड्यूलर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. स्ट्रक्चर्ड इज देयर, देन द वन मोर इज द अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इज देयर. So these are the different variations in the programming languages. Okay, and I know and I'm sure that all these things is never ever being specified in the textbook in your 9th standard, 10th, 11th and 12th. Okay, this is never being specified anywhere in the any textbook. So just whatever I'm saying it, make a note of the small things, because all these things are very helpful to you in your future also. Okay, so as I have said you that what is the use of the BlueJ? So BlueJ is making use with the user education on the OOPS concept. So that's nothing but the object oriented programming concept. Then interface supports the visual views of classes as well as the coded objects are there in the BlueJ. So which we are going to deal it with this, as well as yeah, Shaira has told that it is ordering and organizing the things. So that is also the main concept in the BlueJ is there. So the idea behind that this programming language is to order as well as to organizing the visual representation of a Java code. Getting the point? So that is the main use of a BlueJ is there. Girls, can you tell me one thing? Can anyone can tell me the difference that between the Java and BlueJ, or is it the same? It might be both the cases also, or is it getting differ?
It is different, but I don't know the different points of that.
Okay. Yes, other. Mrunmai?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Mrunmai, आपके बैकग्राउंड में कुछ ज़्यादा ही डिस्टर्बेंस है. Don't you think so? Please focus on your lecture, okay? Yeah? No comments on this, that Java and BlueJ, is it the same or is it a different? If it is different, you are not aware of the answer. Okay, not an issue. So let me tell you one thing. See, BlueJ is nothing but a port of Blue to Java. Once again, I'm repeating my same statement again. BlueJ is a port of Blue to Java. And it was first released in the 1999. And that too was released with the help of the generous support from our Sun Microsystem, which is mostly recently we call it as the Oracle one. You might be aware, like see, जैसे screen पे मैंने दिया हुआ है कि it is the SQL, right? So SQL programming language is with the help of the support. Oracle is also there. Oracle is nothing but the software in that this languages is getting executed. No doubt SQL का भी अलग से software होता है, like SQL is there as well as MySQL is there, and nowadays market में PL, PostgreSQL is going on. Okay, so basically the Java as well as the BlueJ is having the same thing, only the difference is that introductory of the Java is nothing but the BlueJ. So we have started learning it with the journey towards the Java. Getting the point? So if we see the features of the BlueJS, it is having the, once again, the integrated development environment is there. Then it is being designed for the teaching purpose. It is having the scope coloring as well as the object benches are being used. Object benches matlab kya, guys? Object benches is nothing but a benchmark is the benchmark. It's like that it is giving the highest priority to the OBJ, that is the object. So without object, we can't execute the Java program. Okay. And one more thing is there, like on which platform we are running this program? Anyone? On which platform we are running this program, Java programs? Yeah.
What is the meaning of this question?
Oh, okay. So you're not aware of the platform. See, girls, like platform means what? Some sort of a base should be there. Like you might be aware, like the terms as I'm showing you on the screen is the compiler, then debugger, and last but nothing but the interpreter.
Compiler.
Yeah, correct. So over here in compiler is what it is doing, it is converting means it is translating the source code language into the object level language. Debugger is performing the task of the debugging means what? Ki it is finding it out the errors. So bugs जो है, so ये bugs को हम लोग बोलते हैं error. So technical term में errors को हम लोग bugs कहा जाता है. Clear? So debugger is performing the task of the debugging, compiler is performing the task of the compilation, and the interpreter is performing the task of the interpretation. So interpretation means what? It is translating the one form of a language into the machine level language. And machine level language is nothing but the binary level language, which is nothing but we call it as the zeros and ones. I hope you should be aware of this thing, ones and zeros, that is the binary level language.
Yeah. Computer works on binary level.
Sorry, repeat it.
No, I got it. What you said.
Okay, so are you aware with the binary level language, or you want me to explain what you mean by the binary level language?
It's like 0, 0, 1, 1, something like that. Oh.
Yeah, correct. So if I want the binary language for the 4, so that is nothing but the 0, 1, 0, 0. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1, like that. So how it is basically is aware that with the help of the 8421 series. So with the help of the 8121 series, we'll be able to find it out the binary level language. If you want it, I'll be keeping one session for you if you want it for that later on. Okay, so with the help of the 8421 series, we are able to finding it out the binary level language. Like if I wanted A, right? Suppose if I'm writing it any set of a data like A, B, J, F, J and all, right? So how much time is being taken by this to print by the computer on the screen? Yes. See, whatever I'm typing it, how much time the computer is taking to print it on the screen?
Seconds.
Yeah, it might be a fraction of seconds. Yes or no? Even for clearing it also, yes, it is taking the fraction of seconds only. So, but see, it's for the user, it's just a fraction of a seconds. But are you aware कि ये backend में कैसे काम करता है? Yes?
It works in a binary language.
Yeah, that too, no doubt this works on the binary level language, but how the interpretation is being done. So basically, suppose if I'm entering the value, like I'm entering the data as a hello. Okay, so ये hello जो है, so when I'm entering the H, okay, so H is understandable to the human because this is the English is the human understandable language. But computer, for the edge purpose, it is having their own ASCII codes, which is known as American Standard Code for Information. आगे क्या है? Last वाला है? Don't know. क्या आता है?
Information interchange.
Very good, excellent answer. So American Standard Code for the Information Interchange. Same way अपने इंडिया का भी कोड होता है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इसकी कोड. ओके, बट ये हम लोग ज्यादातर यूज नहीं करते हैं, अपना ASCII कोड ही यूज होता है सब जगह पे. सो वो ऐसी यू माइट हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड आल्सो बिहेवियर, कलर, उसमें यू साइलेंट होता है. लाइक कलर का जो स्पेलिंग होता है COLOR होता है, एंड नॉट टू LOUR, बिकॉज यू इज साइलेंट इन द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. सो दैट इज बीइंग आल्सो इन द सपोर्ट इन द ASCII कोड, एंड इसकी कोड में जो होता है यू होता है. Okay, so these are the some small tips I'm sharing with you, which you won't be getting it anywhere in your notes, in your textbooks. So suppose I'm entering the value as a C, or if I'm entering the value as a A, okay, so that keyboard data is getting transmitted into the keyboard interface. So जो भी हम लोग टाइप करते हैं वो कीबोर्ड से मेरा डेटा कहाँ पर जाता है? That too, it is moving it into the keyboard interface. Getting it? And from the interface, this data is being moved where? It is moved to the CPU. CPU मतलब कहाँ पर? So that is being moved into the ROM, RAM. Small ICs chips are there. That is nothing but the integrated circuit chips. And then via from this, it is being moved to the display interface. And from display interface, it is being seen it on the display screen. So if you observe carefully, ये सारा टास्क मेरा एक वर्ड के लिए होता है, जो कि ये जो भी हम लोग टाइप कर रहे हैं. Getting it? And which is totally unaware to the user, ना? यूजर को इतना पता चल रहा है. See, suppose if I'm doing a chat also on the WhatsApp, so समझ में आता है, फटाफट तो हम लोग chat कर लेते हैं. But do you aware that at the back end, what sort of a processing is being happened, and in which speed the progressing is being happened over there? So all this task is being performed even for any sort of a notation, like question mark, greater than sign, semicolon, and so on. Even if I'm deleting it, see, I have deleted it, no? So uske liye bhi ye all this task is getting performed. Keep this thing in mind. So in this way, the computer works it. So as you are the computer student, so अगर किसी ने बाहर जाके अभी पूछा, yes बच्चा तुम्हें कंप्यूटर आता है? हाँ, कंप्यूटर के प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज आता है, बट कंप्यूटर कैसे काम करता है तो वो भी तो पता होना चाहिए ना. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, so this should be aware that how the computer works it. So computer works that whichever the data is there, that is getting transmitted to the keyboard interface, then to the CPU, that is inside the CPU, it is moved over here, and then it is coming on the display interface with the help of the interpreter, that is to interpretation. So all this task is being happened inside the CPU, no? That is inside the RAM, ROM. So all this task is performing the translation of with the help of the ASCII code into the machine level language, which is nothing but the binary level language, and which is nothing but the zeros and ones, and then the content is being visible on the screen to the user, which is taking a fraction of seconds. So that sort of a fast processing is being happened by the system. Clear? Everyone is clear with this? Okay, now the last part which I want to tell you about the Java is that whenever I'll be executing the Java program, okay, so that Java program is Java code is getting converted into the byte code with the help of the JVM. JVM का full form पता होगा? Yes, girls?
No.
Java virtual machine. अरे ये तो पहले पता होना चाहिए. लूजे अगर चाहिए.
We started with data and valuable types.
Whatever it may be, beta, chapter कोई किसी से भी start हो, but this all these things are the introduction. कि मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म कौन सा है, कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, क्या कोड है, हाउ दिस इज गेटिंग एग्जीक्यूटेड इट, हाउ द माय डेटा इज गेटिंग ट्रांसमिटेड और ट्रांसलेटेड, इन विच फॉर्म इट इज गेटिंग ट्रांसलेटेड, इन विच प्लेटफॉर्म इट इज वर्किंग इट. So you should be aware of this thing, no? So that abhi further explanation, whichever I'll be giving you, you'll be grasping it in a very faster way. Suppose abhi ye sab maine bataya nahi hota, so you won't have understood it directly. If I would have started with a programming language, like, see, public class old McDonald hai, so this is nothing but my class, and this is nothing but my main functions, and these are the things which I will be gonna displaying it on the output screen. This doesn't make any sense. Getting it? So you should be aware of all the things behind the language. Is it clear? So once again, I'll be repeating you. If you want to make a note, you can. So Java is nothing but a both programming language, as well as Java is a platform. Okay, so now which platform? So whenever the user is compiling the Java code, like abhi ye code hai na? Yes or no? So whenever I'll be writing, or whenever the user is compiling this Java code, so JVM, that is nothing but the Java virtual machine, is converting this language, that is the Java code language, into the byte code. मतलब ये जो भी मेरा जावा कोड है, when it moves for the compilation, no, so before compilation it converts this language into the byte code. And yeah, very very important note, just make a note in your notes that byte code is the secured one. You can't make any sort of a changes in the byte code. And suppose if any changes made in that byte code, your program won't be getting executed. Getting it? So JVM is a platform, or we can say that JVM on that interface, from there it is converting the Java code into the byte code. Clear? You have written with this? Okay, and the last important note, also make sure to write down this, that is, it is a programming language as well as it is the platform independent. Highlight this term. Java is a programming language as well as it is a platform independent, because every Java program runs under the JVM platform. Getting it? Because each and every programming language, जो भी मेरे Java का programming language है, so that runs under the JVM platform only. Clear? So I hope now everyone is clear with what do you mean by the BlueJ? That BlueJ is nothing but the IDE, which is known as the Integrated Development and Environment, which is the look and feel is there. This is the object-oriented programming language, like other programming language, like structured, unstructured, and query, and what we say modular programming languages like that. So these are the different variations. Then who has invented this language? Then in which year, where it is being invented, then what do you mean by the binary level language, and how the computer works, and with the help of the computer, how my Java, that is BlueJ, is working on which platform. So I hope all these queries is being clear till here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'm giving you a timer for 30 seconds.
No doubts.
अरे immediately 5 seconds में.
No doubts.
So दिमाग में फिट हुआ अच्छे से? Not a single query? Sure?
Yep.
Okay, so shall I proceed further?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not saving this file. Yeah, so now, girls, have you installed the BlueJ? Installed?
Yes. Yes.
So now we'll be first dealing with that how the platform, that is how my software is working it. Okay, so this is my icon, that is a BlueJ. I'll be right clicking on this. See, I'm telling you all the things from the basics, so that if you got stuck up anywhere, you'll get to know the things. See, supported by Oracle, as I've specified now also a few minutes back. Okay.
Yes.
So this screen is coming, right? I hope everyone is aware with this thing.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So this software is need to be installed from the www.bluejay.org. That is to, I'll need to download it the JDK 1.5 and then I'll be installing it this. Okay, so all right.
I
So
don't have the JDK, but my BlueJ is still downloaded.
yeah, not an issue, beta. But in the what we say internally, when I'm installing the BlueJ, no, so that is JDK 1.5 is also getting downloaded at the same moment. Getting it? Yeah, that is nothing but the Java development kit बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग. तो ये kit के अंदर,
I
yeah, so ये kit के अंदर I'll be performing the Java programming languages also. Like अभी ये तो हम लोग BlueJ perform कर रहे हैं ना, BlueJ के programming languages perform कर रहे हैं. But I can also perform the Java also. Getting the point?
yeah.
Yeah. See, one more thing is that जैसे अभी मोबाइल में जो भी हम लोग देखते हैं ना, whichever the applications are there, over there also the Java programming languages is there, which is known as a J2ME. Just make a note of that. J2ME. What do you mean by J2ME? So that J2ME, which is nothing but a Java 2 mobile edition. So that means Java programming languages is there, which is being supported on the mobile edition. For that purpose, the J2ME is being installed. Getting the point? So once again, this is also your general knowledge tip is there. Okay, so I'll proceed further. Now, what here we have to do it? I'll be creating a new class. So over here, I'll be writing it one welcome. Okay, I have generated one. Class name, then click on OK. I hope everyone is able to see the screen properly. थोड़ा zoom कर सकते हो तुम्हारे मोबाइल में.
Yes, we can see it properly.
Okay, so over here, see, yes, this welcome is being there. See, girls, if you see the toppest one, hello, there are no lines. In the A, there are 2 lines are there, and in the welcome, the multiple lines are there. Is there any reason behind that? Yeah, ऐसे ही है, ऐसे ही कुछ डिजाइनिंग किया हुआ है एप्लीकेशन में, ऐसे कुछ है सॉफ्टवेयर में.
Yeah.
Oh, see, in the hello, there are no lines are there, no stranded lines are there.
Let's compile.
Yeah, excellent answer, very good.
Yes,
So over here,
we have already compiled it. That is why we can't see the lines. And we can see lines on in the welcome one because we have made a new class.
yeah, correct. That means I have not compiled it. So now over here, I'll be doing the double click on this. So I got this editor screen over here. So which what I want to do it, I'll be just selecting all this thing and vanishing this thing. Okay. So now what I want to do it, I'll be simply printing the first program which we are doing it. Hello program. Okay. So I'll be just generating the class name. Yeah, hello program. We'll be doing it. Hello world. So I have generated the class. That is the name as a welcome. Just make sure that whichever the name of my class which I have created outside, that should be the same over here. Even sometimes if you defer it, yes, the program may get executed, but sometimes it may throw the error when when the program is minimum of a 50 100 lines at that too, when we doing the invoking things, so at that time it may get clashes. So always make sure that whichever the name of your class is there, that should be same when we are creating initially the class name. Now here the standard format of the program is there, that is nothing but this
Void main.
static. Yeah, excellent. Public static void main, the round bracket open, string, that is S capital should be there, S string, and args bracket close. Yeah, so what do you mean by this statement, guys? So class, what do you mean by class? So class is nothing but the combination of the data and functions which we call, or class is a combination of the variables and the functions. So whichever the variables I'll be declaring it over here, suppose if I'm declaring at the end a comma b d and so on. Okay, so this is nothing but my variables. So that's what the class is there, which is making the combinations of the D and F, which is nothing but the data and function. See, normal हमारे English में data मतलब क्या? The collection of the information is there. Yes or no? But in the technical term, data is nothing but the variable. So just make sure with the technical terms, I'm pressurizing that such important keywords over here. Okay, so here, as I'm specifying it with the very first program, that is the hello world, so I won't be making use of any variables over here. Now, what do you mean by public? So this is nothing but the access specifier. So girls, are you aware what do you mean by the access specifier? Yes. So access specifier is nothing but how I'll be gonna accessing the content that matters. So whether I'll be accessing the content in the public way or in the private way or in the protected way. So there are the three different variations that how my data is going to get accessed. So for that purpose, I have making use of a public. So thus this means that I'll be accessing the data in the public order. That means everyone is able to access it. Public matlab kya? Everyone can access it. Private, that means some shortlisted is being done, like member functions is able to access it, like that. And protected, so in that I'll be making use of inheritance as well as the member functions is able to access it. Member function मतलब क्या? तो जो functions हम लोग class के अंदर create करते हैं उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं member functions. Getting the point? So girls, you no need to worry always. I'll be making use of a public, but for your understanding purpose, I have also given you the information that either the private also I can access it as well as the protected one, but no doubt you won't be getting the output because each and every access specifying is having their own rules. Getting it? Clear with this term that what do you mean by public?
Yes.
Okay, so now if I'm coming to the static means it's not a stationary. जैसे physics में हम लोग बोलते हैं static का मतलब होता है stationary. So over here, it's like a static is also a keyword which is being stored in the library. Library means Blue J के library में stored है. Okay. Now, what do you mean by void? So void is nothing but my data type is there, which is gonna returning me nothing. That is, it will be gonna returning a zero value. That means whichever the content I'll be providing it on the screen, that thing only it will be visible on the output screen. Getting it? So now last is nothing but the main. What do you mean by main? So main is nothing but a function. So girls, function कैसे पता चलेगा आपको? Can anyone tell me how we'll get to know that the function is there or not in the program? Yes, tell me. Function, how I'll be able to understand that there is a function? Yes,
I don't know what to answer.
don't know. Yeah, so over here function is nothing but whenever I'll be specifying it with the round brackets, that is nothing but a function. See, when I'm specifying the brace brackets, no, so this is nothing but the body part, usko hum log body कहते हैं. So अभी ये body किसका है? This is the body of the class. This body is of a main function. Just make a note of this thing. So main function means what? So main is exactly as the name specified main. So the same, it is known as a main only because it is given the very highest priority that whichever the concept I'll be writing in this body part, which is the shaded one. So that is the very core as well as the vital part in the whole program. So that's why we always say the user, whichever the things I need to specify, I'll be always specifying it in the main function and not to in the class. इसके लिए देखो ना क्लास का बॉडी के बाद एक हम लोग एक फंक्शन क्रिएट करते हैं विच इज नोन एज अ मेन फंक्शन एंड मेन फंक्शन के अंदर जो भी मेरा कंटेंट है आई विल बी राइटिंग दैट कंटेंट 6 minutes. Okay, so over here public static void means string means what? So here the string characters which will be gonna supportive and args is nothing but the arguments is there. That means in the round brackets I'll be specifying the parameters, which is nothing but I'll be calling it as arguments in the technical term. And parameters जो अपने normal English language में कहते हैं हम लोग, या फिर नॉर्मल पैरामीटर्स मतलब भी नॉर्मल वैल्यूज पास करते हैं हम लोग. वैल्यूज मतलब कौन से वैल्यूज डियर? तो हम लोग वेरिएबल्स पास करते हैं. Getting it? So I hope everyone is clear with the first statement, public static void main.
Yes.
अगर इसमें किसी को
Teacher,
कुछ
I
डाउट.
have a doubt.
हाँ बेटा.
Public static void main के बाद सिर्फ round brackets भी रखते हैं ना without string arg.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. That's what I want to specify you right now. That suppose if I'm not making use of a string args, yes, will do. Even I will be able to execute this program. I'll show you with both the cases. That means अगर string args लिखा भी तो भी मेरा program execute होता है, और अगर नहीं लिखा तो भी चलता है. So I'll just suggesting you girls that if I'm not making use of a string args also in your brackets, it's totally absolutely fine. It's not an issue that if you're not writing it, so your marks will be deducted or you won't be getting the output. It's not that sort of a scenario. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I joined now. I had some network issue.
कितना time हुआ?
When you made the new class welcome, that.
Okay. This is Mrunmay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So what I was telling that after the creation of the class, I'll be able to generate the main class. Okay. So this is nothing but the main function is there. So inside the class, I'll be creating the multiple functions. So over here, the multiple functions means here, in this case, I have created only a one function, which is known as a main function. And abhi ye function hai kaise pata chalega dear? So that too, I'll be understanding it with the round brackets. Okay, so inside this round bracket, I can also specify the string args also, as you might be having in your textbooks, right? But if I'm not be specify, if I'll not specify this thing, it's absolutely fine. You won't be getting any output. So that's what I have explained till here. Now, what I wanted that output should be my hello world is there. So what I want to do it that I want to print the data on the output screen. So for that purpose, yeah, system.out.print ln is there. So inside the round brackets, now quotes. So quotes means suppose if I write it any random data, quotes close, round brackets close and semicolon. So girls, semicolon मतलब क्या? So semicolon मतलब जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं end of the statement. Okay. So end of the statement मतलब जैसे से इंग्लिश में तुम लोग कैसे पता चलता है कि अभी ये पैराग्राफ में मेरे 5 स्टेटमेंट्स या 6 स्टेटमेंट्स है? You got to know with the help of the full stop, right? सेम वे वैसे ही प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में जहां पर हम लोग सेमीकोलन देते हैं, दैट मीन्स आई विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट माय स्टेटमेंट हैज गॉट completed. Okay, so whenever the end of the statement is there, I'll be making use of a semicolon. And just make sure girls, whenever there is an end of the function is there, never ever make use of a semicolon brackets, or sorry, semicolon symbol. Suppose if you give a semicolon, straight away it will throw you the error. See, compile किया मैंने missing method body or declare subtract. I got an error. Okay, so just keep it in mind. नहीं तो तुम लोग बोलोगे मैम ने तो बोला था स्टेटमेंट खत्म होने के बाद सेमीकोलन देना है. So yes, ये भी एक स्टेटमेंट है. So no girls, this is not a statement. Whenever there will be a round bracket, that means it's nothing but a function. Okay, तो कैसे पहचानना है? राउंड ब्रैकेट से मतलब फंक्शन है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है मतलब एरे है, ब्रेस ब्रैकेट से मतलब बॉडी है, बॉडी स्टार्टेड बॉडी क्लोज. इसके लिए तो देते ना हम लोग, जैसे अभी टोटल 2 ब्रैकेट्स ओपन है तो टोटल 2 ब्रैकेट्स मुझे क्लोज करना पड़ता है ना. सो सपोज इफ आई वांट क्लोज इट, अगर ये आई फॉरगॉट टू क्लोज इट एंड आई हैव कंपाइल्ड इट, यस आई विल बी गेटिंग द एरर. यस और नो? सो व्हाई? बिकॉज बॉडी स्टार्टेड बॉडी क्लोज, तो हर एक फंक्शन का, हर एक क्लास का एक लेयर होता है, एक बॉडी होता है. So that should be started and ended too. Okay, so if I forgot to end it, straight away the compiler is going to throw you the error. Okay, so now I'll be compiling with this. So if you see it at the bottom, class compiled, no syntax error. So I'll be closing this window. I'll be moving it over your right click and just click on the void main. So see, as I have written any rubbish data, so that rubbish data has got printed over here. So did you observe it, girls, carefully, that if I'm writing any data, the compiler is throwing me on the output screen? Yes or no? So this means it's a user responsibility to write the sensible data. Getting it or not? So I'll be writing the welcome to the world of BlueJ. Getting it? So it's user responsibility to write the specific data. And now I'll be saving the file, compiling it. Even if you don't save the file, it's absolutely okay, because internally it's getting saved. And then I'll be closing this window, right click on this void main, and now see how this data is getting printed. That is welcome to the world of BlueJ. So this is nothing but the output screen, which we called it as a terminal window. Okay, so just make sure that whenever you will be closing this window, option and clear करना है. अगर नहीं किया तो what happens? So I'll show you one thing. If I don't close it, once again
When we compile the another data, that also will be added to that same.
So बेटा ये जो another data जो आपने बोला ना, तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं पता है? टेक्निकल टर्म में इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं गार्बेज वैल्यू. Getting it? So जैसे हम लोग डस्टबिन में डालते हैं ना हम लोग गार्बेज, तो सेम वे ओवर हियर आल्सो इन द कंप्यूटर दिस इज नथिंग बट द garbage values which I don't want on my output screen. Whenever I'll be executing, I want a fresh screen. So to eliminate, to vanish the garbage screen, I'll be making use of a clear over here, so that I won't be getting any garbage value. Clear? Now, last thing I want to tell you related to the system.out.println. So what do you mean by this? So system means what? Ki whatever I'll be getting the output. So output ke liye the keyword is out. Out is there. So I'll be getting it from the system. That is from the root of my BlueJ. I'll be getting the output. And then print ln. So print ln is nothing but the print line is there. So print line matlab kaun sa line? So this is the line which I want to print it. So if you write it any garbage value, yes, you will be getting the output. If you write it the sensible value, you will be getting the output. So it's totally user responsibility to write down the sensible data. So here I have closed with the statement, closed with the main function, and closed with the class, welcome class. So this is a program of hello BlueJ. Okay, so any doubt, anyone? You won't understood it that इसका मतलब क्या होता है, system का मतलब क्या है, या फिर any keyword you don't understood it?
No doubt.
See, did you understand what I have done it right now?
Yes.
क्या किया मैंने?
If you clear the value, the line which you are getting afterwards, you will not get both the lines again. Like
Yeah, that's what I
get it
have
two
said
times.
earlier, beta. What I have done it, see the difference. Did you see it properly? Here it is print. So I have erased the ln line.
Yes.
So if I'm erasing ln and if I'm only making use of a print also, still you will be getting the output. Compile it, see there's no error, and then I'll be right clicking void main. So yes, you are getting the output. But now see, abhi ye kahan par aa raha hai? Next line pe nahi aa raha hai, because initial one I have not closed it, as well as ln I have eliminated it. So now if you see it, see. So even though if you make a use of a print, yes, you will be getting the output. If you are making use of a print ln, then also you will be getting the output. Clear, everyone, with the first program? Any doubt till here?
No
No
doubt.
doubt. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll end up with the session, today's session. So I hope you are having the time in the afternoon session only, that is from 2 to 4 or 2 to 3, like that. So what we'll do it, we'll continue with the tomorrow 2 to 3. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, so girls,
Okay.
keep it in mind, whatever I've given you the history and whatever the information I've shared with you in the starting. So just make a note of all that thing in your notes so that it will be helpful for you. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much.